LIFESABER. If you want to survive in the wild, you need the right tools, and the LIFESABER has you covered with plenty of them. First, it uses UV light to purify water in just minutes. Quick, easy, and highly effective. Need some light? It features a powerful lantern with a strobe mode for signaling. Pair that with an 85 decibel siren, and you've got a solid safety tool when things get rough. But that's not all. The LIFESABER also includes a fire starter attachment that creates a 2000 degrees Fahrenheit plasma arc, so wind and rain are no problem when you need to start a fire. It even doubles as a power bank, thanks to its USB port, keeping your devices charged no matter where you are. And the best part, you can recharge the LIFESABER by simply giving it a few spins. Just a few minutes of twirling, and you'll have enough power to revive a dead phone. No outlet needed. Logosol Smart-Splitter. If you're not exactly the Paul Bunyan type who enjoys swinging an axe all day, this gadget is for you. The Logosol Smart-Splitter is a manual log splitter that saves your arms, your back, and maybe even your sanity. It's super easy to set up. Just assemble the frame, slide your log under the axe, lift the striking weight, and drop it down. With one strike, it delivers an impressive 14 tons of force. No gym membership needed. Its double axe design makes quick work of both large logs and smaller kindling, so you're set for whatever you need. And no worries about safety. This tool is built to keep you safe, so you won't end up in a viral fail compilation. Skip the sweat and back pain, split wood the smart way, and get back to enjoying your campfire. Sol Phoenix Survival Tool. Exploring new places is exciting, but safety should always come first. The Sol Phoenix Survival Tool is the perfect companion to keep you ready for the unexpected. Don't let its size fool you. This compact tool packs 8 essential functions into one pocket-sized LIFESABER. It includes a retractable flint, so you can easily start a fire wherever you are. Need tinder? Grab some from its watertight Tinder Quick compartment. Use the serrated blade to make kindling or prep a meal. And it even has a wrench and screwdriver for those unexpected repairs. An LED light with a belt clip is perfect for finding your way in the dark or sending an SOS signal. And if things get really tough, the built-in whistle can be heard from over a mile away. Tiny Survival Card. Here's a survival kit that redefines compact, the Tiny Survival Card. This metal card is packed with 17 high-quality tools and easily fits in your wallet or pocket. So what can this little wonder do? For starters, it includes a mini knife and a dual-edged saw. If you're looking to catch fish, it's got 2 harpoons, 6 hooks, and a lure. The card also comes with a micro finger drill, 3 sewing needles, and a pair of tweezers. Made from durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. Plus, with a magnetic base and triangular tabs, it's easy to remove and snap the tools back into place. All the essentials neatly packed into one sleek card. Modern survival at its best. ACR ResQLink View. Lost in the wilderness with no idea where you are? No worries. This locator has got you covered. Once activated, it broadcasts your exact GPS location through a global distress signal, alerting search and rescue teams if you're in danger. All you have to do is unhook the antenna, swivel it, and press the button. The beacon will send your GPS coordinates to a satellite and then to the nearest rescue station. With a battery that lasts up to 5 years, it's ready whenever you need it most. Equipped with multiple clips, straps, and lanyards, it can be easily attached anywhere for quick access. Peace of mind, no matter where your adventure takes you. Jerrycan Mini Bar. Alright folks, it's pit stop time with the Jerrycan Mini Bar. This rugged, compact mini bar has everything you need for a perfect evening. With its authentic look and sturdy design, it's the ultimate companion for home or on-the-go adventures. Made entirely of steel and available in a range of bold colors, it's as tough as it is stylish. Inside, you've got options. Beer lovers will appreciate the version with an integrated bottle opener, while whiskey fans get their own setup with glasses, coasters, and even a deck of playing cards. And here's the best part, it comes with a key lock, so your prized drinks are always safe from thirsty intruders. Brisk It AI Grill. Ever wish your grill could handle all the cooking without you lifting a finger? Well, I found one, the Brisk It AI Grill. Powered by AI, this grill can cook anything you want. Just open the app, tell it what type of meat you're cooking, and it'll generate the full recipe, while loading all the settings directly into the grill. After that, it's hands-off. The grill sends notifications to your phone about each cooking stage, whether you're slow smoking brisket for 14 hours or just grilling some burger patties. Nothing gets burnt or dried out. The brisket uses wood pellets for an authentic wood-fired flavor, precisely heated by electricity. Cleaning is easy too. I use a grill bot, which scrubs the grates with spinning brushes, and then all that's left is swapping out the disposable drip pan and emptying the ash and grease collectors. It couldn't be simpler. Splash Runner 2.5 Motorized. Say hello to the Splash Runner 2.5 Motorized, the coolest pool lounger ever. At first glance, it might look like a regular inflatable chair, but here's the twist. It has two built-in propellers that let you spin 360 degrees across the water. You control your ride with two joysticks, each equipped with buttons so you can glide in any direction you choose. Crafted from heavy-duty PVC, this lounger can handle up to 300 ohms, so feel free to bring along some poolside snacks. It's battery-operated and super easy to set up. Plus, it has a built-in cup holder to keep your drink steady as you cruise around in style. Who knew floating could be so much fun? Poop Pool Thermometer. Who forgot to make it to the restroom on time? Relax, everyone. It's just a water thermometer, although it might look a bit suspicious. This little gadget is perfect for checking water temperature, whether in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and works in your pool, bathtub, or even a pond, basically anywhere you need it. And if you're feeling playful, it also doubles as the perfect prop for a prank at your next pool party. Formovie Cinema Edge Projector. Thank goodness, it's still a warm autumn, perfect for movie nights. I just received the latest Cinema Edge projector from Formovie, and I couldn't wait to try it out, especially since their previous theater model was already fantastic. This model has front-facing speakers that deliver Dolby audio, and the cooling fans are cleverly placed on the sides. The back panel has all the ports you might need, like HDMI and USB, though I didn't end up using them thanks to the built-in Google TV system that makes it plug-and-play ready. Setting it up was super simple. Just placed it right by the screen, and the magic happened. Being an ultra-short throw projector, there's no hassle about where to mount it. Outdoor movie nights were an absolute blast, and the built-in speakers were loud enough that I didn't need any extra sound system. Even without popcorn, it was a fantastic experience. PowerDolphin. We've got all sorts of gadgets for capturing footage on land and in the sky, but this one's made for the sea. Meet the PowerDolphin, a sea drone that looks like a real marine creature and comes equipped with two powerful propellers, letting it speed along at up to 15 feet per second. Its 220 degrees retractable camera captures stunning 4K video both above and below the waterline. You can control it from up to 1,600 feet away, receiving real-time footage straight to your device with the included remote or a mobile joystick. You can manually steer it or set a specific area and let the drone explore on its own. The PowerDolphin can even create topographic maps, scan waters, and attract fish using its built-in bait container. Depending on what you want to capture, you can choose from several shooting modes. Use normal mode to film yourself surfing or diving, or switch to cruise mode to explore marine life and landscape. And with a battery life of up to 2 hours, you'll have plenty of time to explore without feeling rushed. Portable grill. You might think this is just an ordinary toolbox, but think again. Pop it open, and inside you'll find a compact grill and warming rack. The handles double as a stand, allowing you to grill safely on almost any surface. The stainless steel grilling area is perfectly sized for a couple of patties and sausages, while the warming rack keeps your buns nice and toasty. There's even a storage tray to hold all your grilling tools. When you're done, simply fold it back into its compact form and store it neatly. Neo Flashlight. Why settle for either a heavy, bright flashlight or a small, dim one? The Neo Flashlight offers the best of both worlds. It's compact enough to wear around your neck, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch. The larger LED is your main light, with 4 brightness modes, while the smaller LED provides red and green light to help preserve your night vision. Plus, there's a hidden port on the side for recharging. Despite its small size, the Neo Flashlight lasts up to an hour on high mode, and on the energy-saving green mode, it can run for almost 40 hours.